Alright, you've probably seen this before. Today's different. So, someone threw away some party platters and stuff, which is like salami and cheese and junk like that. Some fruit and whatever. But, I think these cats could use that salami. And since it was free to me, they threw it out. I grabbed it. Alright. No, I'll get to that later. It's kind of hard to open. Alright, let's see what's going to go on here. They all want to be first. It's probably the first time in their lives they had salami. It's kind of bad for you. It's super salty and lots of preservatives. So they're not going to eat the fruit, but I got some other animals that eat that. They're just going to pick through it. So yeah, someone threw away a lot of party food, and I grabbed it and put it all in one container. So I don't know if it fell on the floor or whatever, so I'm not going to eat it. Or flies got on it or whatever. So you can't trust party food because people might have coughed on it or spit on it or sneezed on it. But these cats eat mice whole, so it's probably a lot better than that for them. Gotta close my trunk with the light on. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tonight. Well, that's about it. Like I said, the other day, I want to get gone before they eat through all the food. Because once they eat through all the food, they start chasing me. Alright, well, stay tuned for the next one.